Nakita ko intro, right? So, today I'm gonna share sa pagluto. Hi, I'm Chef Patrick Ko, and today I'm gonna share to you how to cook a very easy salad that you could prepare at home. Muna masahang manggod ko sa mag-chop. Kailangan mag-storya-storya na maghiwa-hiwa. First off, we're gonna chop our tomato. Tomato. Awa, tomato. So we're gonna chop our potatoes into small cubes. Okay. So we're done chopping our potatoes. Now it's time to boil it. So what we have right now is the potato skins that we saved earlier. So tawag ano eh? Hulom. 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 Hulom ba? Kalang humol. So while our potato skins are frying, we can now make our dressing for the salad. So for our potato salad, we're adding chicken. You just let it rest for a few seconds. So just cut it in strips so it would be proportioned to your potatoes. So we have our bowl. Put this in the bowl. Next, we're gonna put our chicken. Just top it wherever you want it. Next, we're gonna put our secret ingredient to make your potato salad crispy. This goes last. Before you actually serve your salad, you put the skin. Just top it. Like that. Okay, so we're done. We have our crispy potato salad with grilled chicken. So, saan may buhato na to?